Hello everyone, I am Zinkal Patel from Rafael BCA College. Now in network technology, in unit number 2, in last video we had discussed about OSI model and all layers, right? But in today's video we are going to discuss the first layer of OSI model, that is physical layer, in detail. Now physical layer is responsible for, see here, movement of individual bit from one node to the next node. As shown in this diagram, if one device A want to send message to device B, then at the physical layer that message is converted into bit, right? And the physical layer coordinate the function required to carry a bit stream over a physical medium. This is one transmission medium. It can be coaxial cable or fiber optic cable. And the physical layer also define the procedure and we can say functions that physical devices and interface have to perform for transmission. Now here we can say, as I said, transmission medium or interface can be any wire. This diagram shows the position of the physical layer with respect to the transmission medium and the data link layer, right? For example, what happened here? A message first of all sent to data link layer and then after it transferred to physical layer at sender side. But at receiver side, first the physical layer received that message and then transferred to this message to data link layer, right? So here I discuss small description of physical layer, right? Now here the physical layer is also concerned with some activity or we can say functionality. Now first, physical characteristics of interfaces and medium. Now the physical layer also define the characteristics of interface between the devices and the transmission medium. Like for example, transmission medium और इंटरफेस की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड द डिवाइस, दोनों के बीच में जो इंटरफेस रहता है उसकी भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कौन डिसाइड करता है? Physical layer. As well as physical layer also define the type of transmission media, like which type of transmission media we are using, right? Now second one is it represent bit. Now the physical layer consists of stream of bit. It means it contains 0 and 1 bits, right? And to transmit that bit must be encoded into electrical signals or optical signals. Then signal can be transmitted from transmission media, right? Now so here physical layer only represent bit, right? 0 and 1. Third one is data rate. Now data rate is also called as transmission rate. Here what do you mean by data rate? The number of bits per second, right? Number of bits sent per each second is also called as data rate, and this rate is defined by physical layer, right? Now third one is synchronization of bit. The sender and receiver not only must use the same bit rate, right? Bit rate mean here for example particular A device जो है 2 MB per second send कर रहा है, तो receiver device have to receive that data 2 MB per second, right? So here the sender and receiver must use the same bit rate and also must be synchronized at the bit level. In the other word, the sender and the receiver clock must be synchronized, right? जितने सेकंड में पर्टिकुलर ए डिवाइस ने मैसेज सेंड किया है उतने ही सेकंड में पर्टिकुलर बी डिवाइस को वो मैसेज रिसीव करना है, राइट? दैट इज सिंक्रोनाइजेशन ऑफ बीट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज लाइन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. नाउ the physical layer is concerned with connection of device to media, like two device is connected in a point to point way or we can say in a multi-point way. Now what happen in point-to-point way? In a point-to-point configuration, two devices are connected through a dedicated link, right? Single channel between that device and share that bandwidth by two devices only. But in a multi-point configuration, that channel or link is shared among several devices. That is line configuration, right? Line configuration, two part, point to point and multi-point. Now next one is physical topology. Now physical topology define how devices are connected to make a network, right? You all know about physical topology. Devices can be connected using a mesh topology or star topology or ring topology, or we can say a bus topology or hybrid topology, right? Now transmission mode. Now the physical layer also define the direction of transmission between two devices. Now what do you mean by direction of transmission? Now for example, first one is simplex. Now what happen in simplex mode? In simplex mode, only one device can send and other device can receive. So we can say it is a one-way communication. Like here, for example, here device A is sending, then B is only receiving that data, right? That is simplex mode. Now second one is half duplex mode. In half duplex mode, two devices can send and receive but not at the same time. For example, device A want to send a message and also want to receive a message but not at the same time. So if device A is sending a message, then device A cannot receive the message, right? That is half duplex. And next one is, last one is full duplex. In full duplex mode, two devices can send and receiving at the same time, right? Both the device can send and both the device can receive at the same time. This process is called as full duplex, right? So these are the example of transmission mode, right? Simple. Now let me revise. First, transmission mode simplex, जिसमें only one device can transmit. Second one is half duplex, either a device can send or receive. And full duplex, a device can send and receive both at the same time, right? Now let us discuss protocols of physical layer. Now here there are three protocols can be used at physical layer, that is Ethernet, IEEE 802.11 and ISDN, that is Integrated Service Digital Network. This protocol will be covered in next unit, right? So I am not going in detail here, right? Now let me discuss some devices work at the physical layer. So devices are, first one is hub, then repeaters, MAU, that is medium access unit, then NIC, network interface card, and transceiver, right? Transmit or receiver. Now these devices are work at physical layer. Now here just I list out these devices. I am going to explain this device in unit number 3, right? So detailing will be in unit number 3 of each and every device, right? Now here I complete physical layer. What is physical layer? Physical layer importance, functionality of physical layer protocol, physical layer devices, right? So here I complete physical layer. And if you have any query regarding this ISO model or physical layer of ISO model, then please you can message me. I will explain again, right? Thank you.